How to log into Commerzbank online banking account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now over here you're gonna find the search box. Type in Commerzbank online banking and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, commerzbank.de. Open it. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Once you're in the website, now at the top right you're gonna see the option of login. Click on it. With that, you will be directed to the login page. Now from here, you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is provide the credentials. First up, go ahead and type in your username, then type in the PIN code, then select where you want to land, homepage, financial overview, account transactions, or anything given over here. In the case you have forgotten your credentials, you can go ahead and click on the option of forgot your login and recover it. After you fill this, click on login and just with that, you will be logged into your account. So this way you can easily log into Commerz online banking account. This was really simple and quick process. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.